India has released the first teaser of its upcoming electric vehicle. It essentially will be the electric version of the Citroen C3 crosshatch and will wear the eC3 badge. It will be manufactured locally in India and will be the first EV in the French car maker's range. The Citroen eC3 is expected to debut in January 2023. The company is yet to reveal its technical details, but it is likely to be positioned below the Tata Nexon EV and fare against the Tata Tiago EV, along with the upcoming Tata Punch EV. According to the latest Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers data, in November 2022, auto car makers in India together reported a year-on-year growth of almost 20%, selling 15,58,145 units as against 12,99,716 units sold in November 2021. Total domestic passenger vehicle sales stood at 2,76,231 units, a growth of 28% compared to 2,15,626 units sold in the corresponding month last year. The two-wheeler segment posted total sales of 12,36,190 units, witnessing a growth of 16% when compared to 10,61,493 vehicles sold in November 2021. In 2022, 1,55,622 deaths due to road accidents were registered in India, and 59.7% of fatal reports were registered due to overspeeding. In fact, 62% of these accidents were recorded on just 5% of the highways, suggesting that preventive measures need to be taken to reduce accidents on these roads.